What makes ultra pure water so different from conventional water treatment?
To give an analogy in terms of mountaineering, UPW is like climbing Mount Everest, while the traditional water is like hiking in the Western Ghats. The contamination level that we are handling in UPW is PPT, PPB levels, and they are required at point of use across the factory. And this is the water which is required in high-tech manufacturing like pharmaceuticals, electronics, and green energy.
Why do traditional water companies find UPW so hard to deliver on?
They mostly focus on municipal water and industrial water, and they comply with pollution control board or BIS standards, while UPW demands high purity and also complies with global standards like SEMI and FDA. And also they lack exposure to clean room manufacturing, aseptic processing. So technology alone is not sufficient guarantee for success.
Can you talk about the mindset difference required for UPW projects?
In my opinion, the specifications alone are not enough. You need a systemic thinking. You need is the choice of right design, zoning, aseptic processing, also materials, high purity materials, instrumentation, and beyond that, a very different design and execution approach throughout the life cycle of the project.
How does CN Water's pharma experience make UPW a natural progression rather than a leap?
CN Water has been in the pharma business for 30 years, so they have exposure to clean room manufacturing. We have been handling projects in ISO 5 to 7 standards. We have a strong operating team with strong quality systems and documentation systems, and above all, we have been designing multi-stage purification system, which is part of our DNA. So we are quite equipped to handle this.
Do you think the market truly understands how high the bar is for UPW?
Yes and no. The global majors understand it, but most of the Indian companies and startup don't understand the cost versus consequence paradigm. They take risks by saving investment, but they also take huge business risks. So I think there's a lot of education required, and also a process of tightening qualification for the vendors is needed in this industry.
What's one misconception you'd like to clear up about UPW design or delivery?
Very good question. I think I would like to address all the stakeholders in the UPW ecosystem, from engineering companies, vendors, and the end users, that production and managing UPW is a journey to be taken together with all stakeholders. We should have the right specifications and the right scope, and CapEx alone is not the basis for working in this area.